Happy Friday. It is Mrs. Hassan here, and I'm just going to give you some information that I have to help us get ready for next week. I hope you've been enjoying your week at home, maybe getting out and loving this beautiful weather, and maybe even jumping in a pool. I don't know. Well, anyways, let's get started with what we need to know for next week. First thing we want to make sure everybody can do, we have a new Google Classroom. This will be our classroom for remote learning for the rest of this school year. If you click right here on this, it will take you straight to the link for our Google Classroom, just like this. This is where you will get all your classwork information right here. You'll see it separated by each week, as well as a stream to keep you updated. So for example, we already have a message from Ms. Coe inviting you to join her Google Classroom as well. After you get yourself set up, let's go back to what else we need to do. Let's talk about those assignments that we just saw on the Google Classroom. All assignments are going to be posted by 7:30 in the morning each Monday, and you will have a complete week to work on those assignments and submit them to me, and they will be due 7:30 in the morning the following Monday. We understand that a lot of families are sharing devices and that our schedules are not what they used to be. And so we are trying to be really flexible on our timing, giving you as much time as possible. Also, the amount of time that we are expecting students to be learning each day is very different now that we're in this remote learning environment. Our goal is for third graders to be spending about an hour online or working, not necessarily online, but working on schoolwork, about an hour every day. If they're spending more than an hour and a half, 2 hours, let's go ahead and stop and send me a message and say, hey, Mrs. Son, is there a way that we can make this a little bit of a modification or something for us so it's not taking us so long? Next thing let's talk about is consistency. The third grade team is planning together and we are creating all of the same assignments. We have divided it up to try and make sure that we can all share the same assignments, no matter what teacher you have. So everybody in third grade should be doing pretty much the same thing to help out. Now we need to make sure that we're staying informed. Now that we're not in person every day, it's hard to know what's happening if we can't stay informed. So every Monday morning, in addition to getting a notification on your email that the Google assignments are there, you will also get a summary of the week's assignments, and I will share that on Google Classroom under materials and also a link on Dojo. Let me show you this is the draft, so remember, we're working on this currently, so things are changing, but this is what it will look like. There'll be a few slides and it'll give you an idea of what's happening this week. So third grade learning, here's the reading assignment, writing assignments, math, science, some SEL activities if you need to take a break for a minute. And let's go back for a minute and I'm going to show you why we wanted to do this. We wanted to make sure that things are accessible all the time. So a lot of times parents, you've got the Dojo message, you have a link, everything's right here and easy to do. You can click on these links for the lesson. Then when you click on this link where it says complete the assignment, it is actually going to take you straight to the page for the assignment. So let's see that. I'm going to click on this. Let's pretend like I am ready for completing the assignment. I click it. That link takes me straight to the assignment link in Google Classroom. Remember, I can still get here through my Google Classroom itself, but this is just another easy way to access material. A lot of the links that are not assignment based, where this one says, for example, click on writing number 1 link to complete the assignment. If you look at the one above that, it says click on writing lesson number 1. Many of the lessons are actually going to be live and public, so you don't need to be signed in to your Google Classroom to do that. So let's see what happens when we do this. You can either click the link or you can find that URL and type it in this way. Let's do that now. Writing assignment in our new online portal. I'm Mrs. Hassan, and I'm here to walk you through your first. As you can see, the quiet stuff down, but the writing lesson itself is live on YouTube. You do not need to be logged in for this. Now, just like in a normal classroom where we'd be with each other each day, it is my job to be helping our students. So you might wonder, how are the students going to get help? Well, each teacher is going to have office hours when we're available. We will also be contacting each student individually, and we will also be holding small group meetings via WebEx. More information on how to get into WebEx will be coming, but we're going to try and stay away from Zoom and get into a more secure format called WebEx. Now, my office hours are going to be posted as well, but let me tell you, I am here all the time. So you can message me. I'm sure hours will change as things evolve, but I am here. Let me know how you need help. All right, so this is a big question right now, is accessibility. How can you get to all these lessons in Google Classroom? You can use your smartphones, computers, iPads, tablets. Get this, even your Xbox and PlayStation. Now, I am not the expert on PlayStation. I'm sure my 7 and 10-year-old could tell me much more about it, but lucky for us, I have information. Here are steps on how to access Google Classroom with PS4 and with Xbox. I can't believe it, guys. This is amazing. They thought they were getting video games. They're also getting Google Classroom. I love it. So they can get to their Google Classroom assignments and complete everything through their video game. Might be the one time where we say it's okay to have your PS4 app out while you're doing your schoolwork. How cool is that? So please, guys, let me know how I can help. My email address is here. I am also giving you my cell phone number. Please respect this. You may call or text me, but please keep it during school hours only. That would be 7:30 in the morning till 3:30 in the afternoon, Monday through Friday. I am here to help you, and I do not mind helping you and answering my phone. And if I don't answer your call, it's probably because I'm in a meeting or working with another student, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. You can always message me in Class Dojo and also send me messages via Google Classroom. We are in this together. Even if we can't hold hands right now, we're all in this together, and we're going to stick together, and we're going to get it done, and we're going to have the best end of 3rd grade that we can. Thanks so much for all your support. Please let me know if you have any questions. More information is going to be coming from the school and Dr. Cannon, but I wanted to answer these questions for you now. So get in there, log into Google Classroom, and let's get started with a great 4th quarter. Bye.